रह सेवक जो रहे, गुर की आज्ञा मन में सहे। आपस कहो कर कछु ना जनावे, हर हर ना हृदय साधते आवे। This excerpt from the Sukhmani Sahib perfectly aligns to the life of Mata Chand Kaur Ji. Mata Chand Kaur Ji was born in 1932 as the eldest daughter of Sarvan Singh and Mata Sama Kaur. At the age of 25, Sadhguru Jagjit Singh Ji, then called Vadde Kaka Ji, lost their first wife, Mata Rajinder Kaur Ji. After a year, Sadhguru Pratap Singh Ji wanted their son to get married again and spelled out the expectations of a woman who would marry Vadde Kaka Ji. I want my daughter-in-law to serve the Sangat. Her hands should be covered with the sand used to clean the plates of the devotees at Langar. She should seek satisfaction and salvation through serving people. Sadhguru Pratap Singh Ji found that daughter-in-law in Mata Chand Kaur Ji. The wedding took place on 1st February 1946 in Radai in the divine presence of Sadhguru Pratap Singh Ji. Mataji's name was later changed from Kartar Kaur to Chand Kaur, which was perfect as Mataji was as beautiful as the moon and completed the life of Sadhguru Ji just as the moon completes the sun in providing light to the world. सतगुर की सेवा सफल है, जेको करे चित लाए, मन चिंध्या फल पावना, होम है विच हो जाए. This means that the service to the true God is faithful and rewarding. If one does this with his mind focused on it, the fruits of the desires are obtained and egotism departs within. Mataji was so immersed in the seva of Sadhguru Ji and Sat Sangat that with her there was no question of I or mine. Yeah, she never saw herself as a separate entity. Rather, it was a merger and oneness with the Sadhguru Ji. Mataji devoted herself completely in the seva of Sadhguru Ji and Sat Sangat Ji. The abandonment of herself and the submission to Sadhguru Ji empowered her. She was the matriarch, the mother of entire Namtari Sangat. She became the beacon of strength, modesty, compassion, and selflessness. Once at Mastangarh, their construction work was going on. Some women came to Mataji and told them there was a shortage of milk. Mataji assured them that Sadhguru Ji will bless them with so much milk that it would be hard for them to consume. Mataji, after a few days, a buffalo yielding 20 liters of milk a day was brought to Mustangarh and Mataji's word became true. Mataji herself was fond of milk and loved to distribute milk and eatables to kids and children. The elders at the old age home were also fortunate to offer hospitality. Once, Mataji entered a musical Baitak. Upon her arrival, Sadhguru Jagjit Singh Ji sang, Nitu sab nithai jithe ho jai sacha sirjanhar. This means that wherever I go, you also come along with me. This playful interaction shows the unbelievable companionship between Sadhguru Ji and Mataji. Mataji worked throughout the life 24/7. She would sit at the langar and supervise that everything went well. She would never saw herself as superior. Rather, she devoted everything to the seva of Sadhguru Ji and Sat Sangat Ji. I would say, Man becha Satgur ke paas. I bow to the lotus feet of Mata Chand Kaur Ji, who was the mother everyone respected, and our Jagat Mata. Thank you.